What is up, Power Stoke Nation? My name is Austin, and welcome to the Power Stoke YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Stick around, hit the subscribe button, comment down below. And today we got a pretty informative video. So I've had some issues. Pardon the wind noise if there is some. I really do apologize for that. It's a little bit cold and windy today, even though I'm in a t-shirt. Speaking of which, if you guys want to grab some Power Stoke merch, link will be down in the description below. Go grab some. I got plenty of t-shirts left. There's a couple decals left, and there'll be more on the way here, hopefully shortly. So with that, let's continue on with today's video. All right, you guys, so I'm sitting in the truck right now. We've had this fantastic problem going on. It started about 2 weeks ago, and I've been having to drive like a BMW driver. All right, now I'll explain to you what exactly I mean by driving like a BMW driver. So anytime I hit the left turn signal in my truck, I get this fantastic sound that just sounds so awesome. It was so hard for me to tell I had something going wrong with the truck. W driver is I can't use my left blinker, so I'm sitting here trying to make some left turns, looking like a jerk, cutting people off, but my right blinker works just fine. It's rapid flashing because I have LEDs, but that's also going to be taken care of in this video, hopefully. So as you guys know, I have aftermarket headlights and taillights on this truck. I went with the Harley-Davidson 2005 headlights, and when I did that, I did LED turn signals. And on the rear, I just have normal incandescent bulbs, but I have the 2008 style taillights. I have rapid blink on the blinkers because I have LEDs up front. And I've heard a lot of people that, use resistors and stuff, and they have to cut into the blinker wire, and I didn't want to do that because I don't want to add more wiring up there. There's already a lot, and I don't want to add to that mess. And so I found this online. I don't know if it works, but we're gonna try, and hopefully it'll fix my blinker issue as well, because if it's not, this relay here, this is supposedly a flasher for LEDs, or a flasher relay for LEDs, sorry. So what this does is it'll replace the stock flasher, which I think is bad in there, and I won't have this nice, beautiful sound anymore. I'll have an actual working blinker, and hopefully it'll blink normally. So if this does work, this costs about $8. All you gotta do is pull your radio out, pop the little panel and plug this in, and hopefully that gets rid of my rapid blink. Now, if it's not that, it's gonna be this multifunction switch, which I do not have another one of those. So if it turns out being that, that's gonna be another video on another day. But without further ado, let's get started and start pulling this radio out. So far, this is the easiest way that I have found. I know a lot of people dismantle the underneath of the dash. There's some guys that can reach their arm up there. I doubt I could reach my arm up underneath the dash and find it blindly. So I'm gonna go with the radio, and if that doesn't work, then I will try the way where I reach up. All right, you guys, now that I have the radio out, don't mind this, I had to trim the plastic off so I could get my doubled in radio in there. But anyways, I put a little arrow. You can kind of see that black box down there. So that, I believe, is the cover that goes over the relays that I need to replace. Well, okay, one relay that I need to replace. There should be 3 in there, a parking light relay, a blinker relay, and there's one more, and I'm not sure which that one is. I think it's the flasher relay or something like that. Why they're behind the dash and not with the rest of the relays in the truck, I have no idea. So I'm gonna pull that cover. Apparently there's 2 pinch tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom. Should be pretty easy to get off of there. I'll let you guys know after I do it. And I'll pop the new relay in there, and we'll see if that cures the rapid blink and fixes my issue with the blinker. If it doesn't, then I am forced to believe that it's the multifunction switch, and we'll be replacing that in another video. Okay, yeah, so here's the cover for it. Just so you guys can see, there's pinch tabs, the top and bottom, that flex out those tabs there. It should come right off. Let's take a peek in there. Okay, so yeah, that blue relay down there is the relay we're gonna be replacing, and it's blue, which means that it is factory, so it could very well be my issue. All right, you guys, so far the hardest part about this whole job was pulling this relay out. It did not want to let go for me. So here's the factory, has the Ford logo on it, and let me grab out, and here's the new one. So one thing I am noticing right off the bat is the new one's quite a bit bigger. Check that out. All right, so hopefully this still allows for that cover to go back over. I mean, I doubt anything's gonna happen. There's no water that gets in here. I'm not gonna go taking this thing through rivers or anything like that. So I imagine it will be okay. It's probably more of a dust. I'm really hoping that that's not just for show and that this actually works, because that would be phenomenal if I could find a way to get rid of rapid blink without having to tap into any wiring. With that, let's throw this guy in there. Okay, you guys, we now have the new relay in place. You can see it down there. You see that little red ring around that black down there? That's the new relay in place. This is the ultimate test. We have the truck in the on position now. let's see if this cured my buzzing. And as a bonus, if it cured rapid blink. Yes! Okay, you guys, my buzzing, annoying blinker is gone. We are finally back to functioning, and it is a normal blink for both sides. Perfect. All right, you guys, if you guys have LED headlights and taillights on your truck and you have rapid blink, do not worry about doing the resistors. This took me maybe 15 minutes to just pull the radio, find out where the location of that relay was, and hopefully my video helps speed that up for you. Now, that is absolutely worth it, and it's crazy that that one little, wherever I put it, that relay, there it is. It's crazy that this little relay, when it goes bad, it'll basically shut you down. I mean, I couldn't put my turn signal on. My left rear light actually wouldn't even come on when I hit the brakes. So that was kind of my leaning towards not the multifunction switch, because my brights still worked, my wipers still worked, even though they kicked on by themselves randomly one night, which was very bizarre. It came down to this. So if you guys are having that same issue that I am, pop the radio out, reach down in there. I have pretty big arms, and so that actually wasn't bad. I could get my arm in there just fine. So don't waste your time with doing resistors. That's a lot of work, a lot of cutting, and I didn't feel comfortable with it. I've done a lot of wiring, but I did not feel comfortable with cutting into my blinkers. This is the way to do it. It's an $8 part on Amazon. I will put the link down in the description below. If you guys don't even have a bad relay, but you have LEDs that are causing rapid flash and you don't want to do resistors, this is the way to go. All right, you guys, so I just tried to put the cover back over that relay. It won't fit. The new relay is too big. But like I said, it's just a dust cover, and unless you're going through like swamps where the water is coming up into your dash, I mean, you're down, you know, with the snorkel, I don't think you're gonna have an issue, you guys. All right, now that we got the truck all fixed, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you that watches my videos. It does something absolutely amazing for me, and this channel has grown to something that I never thought it could. We are almost to 2,800 subscribers. That is absolutely insane, and I could not have done it without you guys. You guys seriously get me going. You guys seriously keep me going. This is something that I love to do. When I miss a week, I get bummed out myself. And trying to do this and my job, if it wasn't for you guys, I don't think I could do it. You guys give me the motivation every single week, along with my amazing girlfriend, Sierra. She is always pushing me. She's like, you guys, you know, you got to make time for a video. I know you're busy, but you got to do something. And I really appreciate every single one of you that helps me get, oh, come on, I'm doing my outro. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I honestly, like I said, I couldn't be doing this without you. So thank you all. I'm sorry the video was short, but it's something that needed to be fixed on the truck. And next week we'll have something fun. Thank you all so much for watching. Grab some merch. Link will be down in the description below. The relay will be down in the description below as well. Thank you all. I'll see you guys in the next one.